Traders, hello, and I apologize yesterday. Did I do a update video? I don't think I did. Oh, no, I did. I posted at 10 o'clock. God, how did I pull? I didn't do a watch list video. Now, the watch list video would have been CLSN, because I've been monitoring. No, CLNT. Apologize for the voice as well. I'm not really feeling that great. I'm diabolical, but that's okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, what's going on here? Cleantech International enters into exclusivity agreement with 3D Discovery Co. Unlimited potential acquisition and development interactive virtual tool mobile app. Wow. Okay, so it's up. It's up, but it's not. Wasn't in here though. All right. Well. Yeah. So that's quite interesting. That's one to watch. That's some news on that. Let's see the chatter Twitter feed. Okay. It's really handy how they have this. Right. For a long while, I didn't use stocks to trade. Yes, it is expensive. Well, I mean, it is to me. It might not be, but you might be thinking, $179 US a month. That's pretty outrageous. But I guess it's just like, it's just easy. Like some people pay more to get the express lane in an airport, like business class or whatever. I can understand the justification not want to pay that amount of money, but it's helpful. All right, so we're pretty flat yesterday, but this will be one to watch. What sort of volume? All right, so it's pretty insignificant. All right, let's get back to RGSC. Okay, guys, so what I did was I trialed using the demo trading feature here, but I didn't enable an account. So what I'll be doing is I'll still be running my Interactive Brokers demo account with trading this, but I was looking to, I might sneeze here. What was I looking at? I swear I tried a dip buy here and 230s, I believe it was, and it fizzled out a little bit. My entry was around 240, 1,000 shares, but I didn't execute on this. So that I wouldn't really call that a trade. It didn't execute, so there wasn't that psychological hold the win and know when to cut the trade aspect of it. But RGSC had some pretty good news yesterday. Let's see. Well, I had quite a few news pieces. They had one midday, 12:40. So at 8:31 yesterday, RGS Energy selected as exclusive installer for Solarized New Haven campaign, and they had to wait for things to be finalized, I believe, and that might reflect what's going on here. But it is trading, around just above the 20-day moving average at 217. Not quite actually now, but that'll be one I'm watching. Really, actually, it'll be CLNT. Absolutely. So we're looking at 671. That's pretty significant. What do we see? Let's do a 1 month. Not in a minute. Let's go 5 minutes. Alright, so what was the last time? Pull this down. Wow, okay. Alright, so 670. A little bit of resistance there. Let's see. These tops here. So it's one to watch as a potential spiker. What I do is I'll be monitoring this at the open to see what it does. Because when a move like this occurs, just with how the markets seem to go, and I've found, is that you'll have a retracement and then a potential dip buy, but it's just sort of in. Let's see where's the level of support at that could be could be used. Down here, 570. 570 was major support there. The problem is though, if it really panics, it just freaks me out a little bit. Year to date. That volume. Oh, look at this. I'm just trying to find a support level that I could get it to buy off. That's where it's at now, pretty much. Look at that. What? That spike. 18. Okay, so it only goes back to the first. Oh, because I've done year to date. Hey, Scotty. Wow. So it can spike a little bit. 670. It's sort of topped out there a little bit, to be honest, as well. Like, as you can see, go back down to 670. We've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ish. Not quite, I mean, I would regard this as a general zone, so it's not an exact science, like Tim says. Interesting though. So this is one to watch. I didn't RGSC, not so much really, honestly. Seems to have really accepted the news pre-market was when things happened, and then it just sort of petered out. So I don't really like that. I like to see a little bit of momentum. And 1 day. Day. Yep. So I'll be watching CLNT, guys, to see how the market reacts. If we can get some consolidation and then maybe a move higher, that's I'll entertain a trade, or a dip buy. Maybe down at the 590s perhaps. So we'll see. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll upload this straight away. And good luck. Happy trading. Bye.